For our basic SplitWorks function demo, we are using a simple part from the tutorial. First, we analyze the part to find the best parting direction. In this simple case, it is the default. The analysis color codes the faces into core, cavity, and different types of no draft faces according to a minimum draft angle. Here we can see a no draft face belonging to the core. In this case, we move it to the core prior to splitting the part. Next, we show the parting lines, which are well defined and closed in this simple example. Finally, we split the part, color coding the faces but not duplicating any data. We are left with an undercut, which we will correct. Using standard SolidWorks editing tools, we modify the boss feature by drafting it outwards. Notice that SplitWorks updates the color coding of the faces and the parting line automatically. Next, we use the SplitWorks Feature Manager to create new folders for the side cores. The Feature Manager tree contains the face folders according to their direction, as well as a folder containing the parting lines. The information is manipulated through context-sensitive menus. We switch off the parting lines and create the core surface. Now we use the plug hole menu to create all the shutoffs and knit them to the core surface. SplitWorks is totally integrated into SolidWorks, so we can use standard SolidWorks tools at any stage. Here we use the radiate surface command and manually knit the result. SplitWorks has a specialized tool for creating the runoff surfaces called Loft. Here we are pulling out a chain of segments according to an edge, and the result is automatically knitted. This menu has a special re-entry button to allow us to continue without leaving the function. Here we complete the runoffs all around the part. Once the core surface is defined, we use the SplitWorks Create Insert menu to preview the insert, modify parameters if necessary, and finally create the insert stack as an assembly of the core, cavity, and original part. Let's explode the result. Now let's go back to the part in order to create the side cores. Again, we enlist the help of SplitWorks to create the side core surface and close it. Here we plug just one side of the side core surface. Next, we create a plane, edit a sketch, copy an edge to it, and define the side core solid using the up to surface parameter in the extrude dialog. We also add a small cap to the side core with standard SolidWorks tools. Returning to the assembly automatically deletes the solid ring from the cavity part where the side core was created. The other side core is similarly defined, and what we can see is the result. Now we open the door handle assembly, which includes the door handle. As we can see, the handle housing hinges are not aligned with the handle. Furthermore, we want to make modifications to the handle housing. First, we modify the fillet to 6. Next, we enlarge the air holes. And finally, we align the hinges. All this being done with standard SolidWorks tools. Returning to our assembly, we note that the inserts and the side cores have been updated accordingly.